1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons honey, 3 cups of water. Take a bundle and give me 1 gram of this mixture. Hello, welcome to Honey of Knowledge. What am I doing here? Who will give you this? Certainly not a grocery store in your neighborhood. So, what am I trying to achieve? Let us suppose I open a customized grocery store and I call it Mutual Grocery House. And what do I sell? I sell sugar, salt, honey, water mixture in 1 gram of units of this proportion. So this essentially is the idea of mutual funds. So what do we do in a mutual fund? That is a big question. We take assets. Now assets could be of any nature. It could be your normal stocks or shares. It could be your bonds or fixed income instruments. It could be any other derivative too. And after we combine these assets in a kind of a proportion, let's say I'm taking A, B and C stocks. I'll write it clearly over here. So let's say I'm taking asset 1, asset 2, asset 3 and so on. Asset 100. And I take, let's say, 2 units of this, 3 units of this, 1 unit of this, and so on, and 75 units of this, and make a mixture out of it. So once I mix this, I get a comprehensive asset. Now this comprehensive asset can be divided. Now if we divide this comprehensive asset like we divided the mixture of sugar, salt, honey and water, we will get certain number of mutual fund of this type. So this essentially is the idea of mutual funds. Now over here we can take any kind of stock, any kind of bond or rather any kind of asset. Take them here, make a mixture out of it and divide them equally. And every unit is your mutual fund. So this is essentially a very brief video on mutual fund.